Welcome to this creator training. I am going to show you how to add moderators for your live stream. There are two ways to add mods to your favorited account. The first way is through your profile settings. This can be done while not on a live stream. To do this, you will navigate to your profile and select the settings button. Then you will scroll down until you find stream moderators and select that option. This will bring up your current moderator list. To add a new moderator, you will need to click the plus sign in the top right corner. When the next screen pops up, just type in the name of the person you want to add. When you find who you are looking for, click the plus sign next to their name. When you are done adding mods, click done in the top right corner for them to be added. The second option is to add a moderator while you are live streaming. To add a moderator when live streaming, look at the top right of your live screen and click the settings button and scroll down to stream moderators. From here, the process is the same as the other way. The only difference is that the newly appointed moderator will need to leave your live and come back to activate their mod powers. Not sure who to add as a moderator? Reach out to your agent to discuss possible mods. Have a great day.